Known for its great food, music, and culture, Louisiana is easily one of the most unique states in the country. Since almost everything is done a little differently down here, I figured I'd take a few minutes and walk you through the steps you should take to sell your house right here in Louisiana. Let's get to it. So first things first, you need to decide how you're going to list your property. In Louisiana, you essentially have three options. You can sell with an agent, you can sell it yourself as for sale by owner, or you can use a flat fee broker like Falaya. Listing with an agent is probably the most common. Your agent will come in and handle everything for you. And in Louisiana, you can expect to pay about 5 to 6% commission at closing. This does vary from state to state, but that's what we see here. For sale by listings are also growing in popularity, but just make sure you familiarize yourself with the home selling process, as confusion and lack of exposure lead a lot of for sale by owner sellers to end up working with an agent. But you can watch this video I made on why for sale by owner fails and how to learn more. So now that we know how you're going to sell your home, timing is everything. I get that if you have to sell, you have to sell. But if you can wait until the peak selling season for your area or your neighborhood, you could get under contract faster and walk away with more money in your pocket. For example, let's say you're trying to sell a condo near LSU. You might have better luck finding a buyer in July or August when students and their parents are making living arrangements for the upcoming semester. The next step is to get your home ready. I highly recommend investing time and money into making your house as clean, decluttered, and updated as possible. You would be shocked at how small improvements like painting or some basic landscaping can impact the performance of your listing. Now we got to decide how much you should list your house for. You really want to get this right. If you overprice your house, it's going to sit on the market, and nobody wants to underprice their house and leave money on the table. So you can actually get help determining the price with a pre-listing appraisal, talking to a realtor, searching online for recent home sales in your area, or you can hire Falaya. We offer professional pricing opinion for a low flat fee. Now here comes the fun part. Well, at least it's fun to me. Marketing your listing. Hands down, the most important part of your listing is how you present it online. High quality photos are at a minimum required, but you could also invest in nighttime photos, drone shots, walkthrough videos, 3D walkthroughs, floor plans, and even more, just to get your listing an edge over the competition. Because once buyers are interested enough to schedule a showing, you're going to want to wow them with how clean and inviting your home is to get those great offers. All right, so you got your first offer, or hopefully several offers, and you're going to need to take off your homeowner hat and put on your negotiator hat. So keep in mind that price is not the only factor here. You can come to an agreement that works for both parties by offering shorter inspection periods, faster closing dates, or even covering buyers' closing costs. Just don't be afraid to get creative when trying to come to a deal. Speaking of inspection periods, when you are finally under contract, the buyer's going to have an opportunity to inspect the property. You can watch this video right here to learn more about your contractual obligations for this inspection period, but when deciding what you will or won't fix, just ask yourself, is the buyer being reasonable with the request, or are they trying to get one over on me? And just only agree to what you're actually comfortable with. The last step in the process is to prepare for closing. At this point, you should already be working on moving out of the house. Just make sure to bring your keys, garage door openers, and some identification and anything else the closing attorney requests. And before you know it, you'll be walking away having successfully sold your home. Selling your home can be a lot of work, but with these tips and a solid strategy in place, you'll be able to smoothly move from step to step. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and like and subscribe for more great content like this.